I can see everything, and I can't see anybody moving.
No. Donald says 2 tribals. 10 adventures, 2 tribals. 1 adventure in the queue.
Right, I'm stood on top of the rock like a golden goose. Oh, barking dog, barking dog. Barking dog right here. Right. Barking dog by the tent.
10 gone.
What? 10 gone?
Barking dog.
10 red sky gone.
Um,
I can't see anybody around here.
Red skull 10.
So we must be crawling to the rocker box. So where's the rocker box?
The water side. Behind you, behind you. The rock box right behind you.
I hear hacking.
no,
Someone's
it's
shooting.
me. Yeah. Because I saw something moving inside the rock here. I guess it was just the water clipping through. Yeah, just the water. Just the water.
No red skull.
And this fucker's laughing.
Red skull back. So he has to be in this little circle. So if he's crawling, that just means staring down at the ground.
There are two, right. 2 tribals in the arena.
Hang on a minute. Look up in trees. Maybe he's climbed a fucking tree.
Possible.
How high can we go up?
As high as he probably wants to.
Depends on the tree.
Yeah, look for coconut trees. They're the best.
But you cannot shoot from it, right?
Yeah, but he can always jump down.
That's so fucking time wasting right now.
There is in front of us. Oh no, it's
Nearly.
Be double sure.
So maybe he's in the stone next to us.
Hiding in the stones. We already figured out it's possible. Maybe someone should start rocking.
Yeah, start rocking and give him something to aim at.
I can do it.
Yeah, I have 200G, 210G in my...
You stay lying there, washing it, and then someone else do the bucketing.
He can do it on its own.
Alright, so I've got a little bit of protection here. So you can only really attack me from 1 or 2 sides. So I should be able to see a good bit here. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay, interesting. So I've got a red skull on me, but in theory he's going to be hard pushed to attack me from here, without me seeing where it's come from. So I'm just going to keep spinning around like a CCTV.
Yeah, red skull's still on the tent side. So fuck.
Yeah, on me too.
Where's the suck?
No
Ik
trouble?
heb hem, klein. Achso, ik heb hem, joh.
You got him.
I got him.
You got him? Was he crawling right in front of the tent, next to
Yeah.
our tent?
Yeah, other
Son of
side,
a
other
bitch.
side of it, jumping.
Son of a bitch.
Where was
Right, just eyes on, because two tribals.
Yeah,
Right, I'm staying still. I'm on the
Someone check the
waterfall.
journal.
still red, still red.
Yeah, it's still red. I'm on the waterfall.
I'm doing the wash.
10A, 2T, two tribals still.
Yeah, we are watching your privates. All good. Coyote on one side, I'm on the other side.
You're washing. Yeah, I'm in the tent. I have a little bit overview as well.
Hatte echt gedacht, dass ich die
Yeah.
nicht sehe, wenn du drauf bist.
I have still the red scar.
Yeah, don't worry. I'm on the waterfall. I can see everything. If anybody moves, I'll tell you where he is.
I'm checking the clay. Okay, one tribal left, and the last tribal is also on us.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. Why not? Because we tease him every day.
Der
And
war
he's
von mir.
probably. Yeah, and he was probably doing the same.
Check your repellents.
1 minute. Yeah, I just go out.
The thing is, he can also lie in one of our tents. That's the thing.
I was thinking that. Can you do that?
Yeah, we
you can.
tested.
Then therefore he
You
was.
can,
I
you
think
can
he was in the
defendable.
tent, the creator tent.
So one from tent
He
can
can,
be.
he can be in both. He can be in the board tent and in the created.
And what is someone check the primitive tent?
That's what I mean. The primitive tent one. Yeah.
Good, okay. I would like to zoom out a little bit, man. But nice job, KJ.
Yeah, well done, well done.
Seven more to go.
Wenn man danach sucht, geht das, dann findet man die auch.
It's like Easter egg findings.
Ist gleich, wo ist Walter, ey?
So ein bisschen, aber das Problem ist halt, wenn er aufsteht, dann ist er ganz genau wird. Also darf er nicht aufstehen, die Richtung muss ich ja nicht gucken.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So I've just put what I can see for you. So in a bit of a CCTV view. So anything that comes anything near you, I'm going to be able to see. So try not to worry about looking for anything in the bushes per se near you, because I'll see the bush move. So if you can go and check to my right hand side, so it's your left as you look at it. So the opposite side to where the tents are. If one person can go and check that side, that'd be helpful.
Travis, bist du am Rockern?
Ich bin am Rocker, ja.
Okay.
Skeleton.
Yeah, just go with the
Machete.
machete.
That's, yeah, not a bad idea that.
We have no Tommy gun. Bam, 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 bam. For gambling.
I still believe he's in the big tent.
Can you break the down
Unpack it.
tent? Unpack it, yeah.
Yeah, and two people go. So one person unpacks it, the other person standing there with a shotgun, because he has to come out the front.
Disable?
No Red Skull. Red Skull's just gone on me.
Okay, so now.
Oh, Red Skull's back.
And Louis back into the tent.
So as soon as you unpacked it, it went.
That's behind me. Can someone check behind the tent?
I'm looking, I can't see anything move. Apart from you. No Red Skull.
Red Skull gone. Red Skull gone. Tent.
Mhm.
I'm checking to the west. No red scar. But also you can just laying down now long enough. So
Mhm.
the red scar
But keep
tent
washing.
disappeared.
Keep washing.
1 minute.
as I said, the red skull can also be tricked. So
No.